Hey folks, welcome to the super detailed breakdown of Crucial Conversations, Tools for Talking When Stakes Are High, by Kerry Patterson, Joseph Grenny, Ron McMillan, and Al Switzler. If Dale Carnegie's book taught your relationship building charm, this one's your battle tested upgrade for high pressure moments where careers hang in balance, opinions collide, and emotions threaten to derail everything. What makes a conversation crucial? 3 defining triggers create these pressure cookers: high stakes, promotions, major deals, relationship futures at risk. Clashing opinions, everyone believes they're right, no middle ground. Strong emotions, anger surges, fear grips, frustration boils over. The 99% trap: under pressure, people default to fight, violence, blame, sarcasm, control, or flight, silence, withdrawal, fake agreement, stonewalling. Both destroy dialogue, the free flow of meaning where solutions live. Result: resentment festers, opportunities vanish, trust erodes permanently. Principle 1: start with heart. Your North Star question: what do I really want, for myself, for them, for our relationship? The deception: short-term winning feels satisfying but tortures long-term bridges. Real example: colleague misses 3 deadlines. Wrong: you are killing this project with your laziness. Right: these delays risk our Q1 targets. What's blocking you so we can clear it together? Advanced practice: before tough talks, write your 4 wants: self, outcome, relationship, long-term. Refer when emotions spike. Principle 2: learn to look. True dialogue happens in the pool of shared meaning. Safety breaks equals pool drains instantly. Silence warning signs, masking, avoidance, playful banter turns one-sided. Eyes drop to flow, phone, hum, yeah show, minimal responses. Pretend agreement, nodding while planning defiance, violence warning signs, controlling, labeling, attacking, voice volume creeps up, absolute language, you never, always. Sarcasm drips, nice job, genius, generalizations, your whole team sucks, pro move, step back like air traffic control. Spot patterns, don't react. I'm seeing silence, safety breaking. Principle 3: make it safe. 2 non-negotiables: mutual respect, I value you, plus mutual purpose, we share worthy goals. 3 safety restoration tools, use in order: apologize, my tone was harsh, genuinely sorry, let's reset, works 80% of time. Contrast: I don't want to blame, I do want us to succeed together, clarifies intent, create mutual purpose, we both want quality results, right? How do we get there? Rebuilds common ground, crisis example, heated budget fight. I respect your cost expertise. Can we find savings without killing quality? Principle 4: master my stories. The emotion chain, memorize the sequence. See, hear to feel to story to emotion to behavior. Your control points to trap, skillful people let bad stories run wild. They're disrespecting me, to defensiveness spiral. Fact reset, meeting started 15 minutes late, to curiosity opens door. 3 skill steps, retrace, what evidence supports my story? Consider alternatives, what other stories fit these facts? Separate skill from will, are they incapable or unwilling? Principle 5, state your path. Speak persuasively without offense, state acronym. S, share your facts, objective, verifiable first. T, tell your story, interpretation, gently. A, ask for others' paths, invite their view. T, talk tentatively, it seems, maybe. Quote closing parenthesis. E, encourage testing, help me see what I'm missing. Live fire example, client complained about 3 defects, fact. Looks like process drift, story. What's your read on production, ask. I might be missing data, tentative. Principle 6, explore others' paths. Advanced listening, FBI interrogation techniques, mirror emotions, you seem frustrated. Repeat their feeling, paraphrase content, so the bottleneck is material certification. Prime their path, is it the new equipment specs? Offer your best guess, pull for more, what else am I missing? Demand completeness, silence breaker, after question, count to 5. Truth emerges in quiet moments. Principle 7, move to action. End vague follow-ups forever, CRIP framework. C, who does it? Specific names. R, does what exactly? Measurable action. I, by when? Hard deadline. B, how do we track? Reports, meetings, logs, close example, Sarah handles vendor follow-up. She'll confirm lead times by Wednesday EOD. We'll review Thursday 9 am stand-up. Agreed. Real-world battle applications. High-stakes conflict, state facts plus safety restore. Performance gaps, mirror emotions plus explore their path. Strategy disagreements, mutual purpose plus script action. Emotional explosions, master stories first, then state transformation challenge, pick one principle for every conversation this week. Journal results daily, why this beats Carnegie. Dale Carnegie equals relationship building in calm waters. Crucial conversations equals navigation through storms. Combined power, unmatched influence mastery. This 10-minute script flows perfectly for narration. Grab the audiobook today. Test one tool tomorrow morning. Watch tense discussions transform into breakthroughs. You're not just talking, you are shaping destinies. Let's master those crucial moments. Apax.